Let's cut across now to the latest developments on the India-China military talks. There's been a temporary freeze on patrolling in friction areas. That freeze will continue. Both sides are not in a hurry and the focus is on ensuring disengagement at all costs. Full disengagement from two patrol points, that's Galwan and Gogra, has been confirmed. There's partial disengagement at Hot Springs and Pangong So. So the focus will be on ensuring that at Hot Springs and Pangong So, we through dialogue ensure a full disengagement there as well. So all of this has been brought up. There is a temporary freeze on patrolling at friction points. Abhishek Bhalla is getting us the latest updates from Leh. Abhishek, good morning. At this point, even as the dialogue continues, the focus is going to be on the situation at Pangong So, because we hear that China at this point is unwilling to retreat there.
The Pangong Lake as well as the Hot Springs area continues to be a challenge as far as disengagement is concerned. Even though what sources have told us that the disengagement process is complete in Galwan as well as Gogra, but Pangong Lake remains tricky as well as Hot Springs. What sources indicate is that in days to come there will be a further military dialogue, and modalities were already worked out in the previous co-commander level meet that took place the other day. Other than this, as far as the depth areas is concerned, a large build-up still continues. So while the focus as of now is to make sure that a disengagement takes place at these friction points, what they mean by disengagement is that troops pull back enough so that there is no eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation. Because earlier, Akshita, the situation was that there was a big build-up from both the sides and troops were just meters away, and that, added to the fears of another physical brawl like the one that took place in Galwan on 15th of June. So at least in most of the places that pullback has happened. But as far as Pangong and Hot Spring is concerned, sources say it might take some more time.
All right, Abhishek, thank you for getting us all the latest details of the dialogue between India and China. Several Corps Commander level talks that have been going on. And at this point, the focus is going to be on ensuring full disengagement at two friction points. That's Pangong So as well as Hot Springs.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.